Good morning dear students, welcome back to Science Online class. I hope you all are absolutely fine and doing well at your home. So dear students, in the last class we have completed the chapter number 5, that is the our body. So dear students, in today's class we are going to solve checkpoints and as well as 1 marks question which will help you to solve our exercise part. Okay dear students, so let's start. So dear students, this is the checkpoint number 1. We have a totally 5 fill in the blanks. So just see here, we have a dash sense organs. So how many sense organs we have? 5. What are those? Eyes, ear, skin, tongue. Okay, so these are the 5 sense organs we have. Is it? Next is the many organs together to form an organ system. So dear students, what is the basic unit of human body? That is the cell. Cell is making the organ tissues are making organs and all the organs making the organ system, or you can say it forms a organ system. Next is the skeletal system is made up of large number of what? Whether it is a muscles are there? No. Whether it is blood are there? No. So how it is formed? It is made up of the large number of bones. Next is all the musculars in our body together to form an dash system. So if the muscles are there, then what they are going to form? They are going to form the muscular system. Fifth one, the food travels to the stomach from the mouth through the which part? So dear students, just recall the things when we are talking about the digestive system. So we are taking the food from mouth and what happens? It will going to be travel through the food pipe. Okay. So from the mouth it will going to be reached to our stomach. So what is the basic need we want? We want food pipe to pass the food. So his answer is food pipe. Next is the true or false. So the air we take is rich in a carbon dioxide. So dear students, which type of air we are taking? We are taking carbon dioxide or oxygen? We are taking the oxygen. So the answer is false. We are taking the oxygen, not as a carbon dioxide. And if we are taking the air that is rich in a oxygen, not as a carbon dioxide. So the nose, windpipe and lungs together to form a respiratory system. So where you can find this windpipe and nose, lungs, they are present in the respiratory system. Third one, that nerves takes information from different parts of our body and send it to the spinal cord. Okay, so here nerves takes different parts of our body and send it to the spinal cord. So dear students, here spinal cord is there. So they are not sending the spinal cord, they are sending to the brain. So the answer is a false. Next is the heart pumps blood to different organs of our body. Yes, what is the function of heart? To pump the blood. So the heart pumps bloods to different organs of our body, that is the true. So the skin removes urine from our body. Okay. So what is the function? Just you can recall it, what we have learned in the last class. So the skin removes urine from our body. Whether skin is removing urine or sweating, the skin is removing sweating, not as a urine. So they have a different system to remove the urine. So answer is a false. So go for the objective type questions. First one is the sense organs help us to feel the things. So which sense organs helps to feel the things? Just recall it. Whether it is a nose? No. Whether it is a ears? No. Whether it is a eyes? No. So answer is a skin. So the sense organ which helps to feel the thing, that is the skin. Many similar cells are joined together to form, and whether they are forming organ system or organism, they are forming first a tissue. So all the cells are joined together to form a tissues. Next is the organ system is responsible for throwing waste out of the body. So dear students, which organ system is responsible for throwing wastage? Whether it is circulatory? No, they are circulating the blood. Vasculary? No, they have a muscles. Whether it is a excretory? Yes, this is the excretory system, or you can say this organ system is responsible for throwing waste out of our body. So answer is with you, that is the excretory. Okay, here unjumbled words are there. So what you have to do, you have to get the answer. So the water from food is absorbed in the organ. So LARGE something is there. So answer is a large intestine. Large intestine. Second one is, we chew food in this organ. So we are chewing the food from which organ? Whether we are chewing the food from our mouth? Yes. So the answer is mouth. MOUTH. Next is the churning of food takes place here. Okay. So which process is going on? That is the churning, or you can say churning. Okay. So here the answer is stomach. Okay. So it is a stomach. What is the spelling of stomach? STOMACH, stomach. Okay. Here we have to be complete the concept map. So cells is forming the tissues, tissues are forming the organs, and all the organs are joined together to form a organ system. And if all the organ systems are present in our body, then it is called as a human being. So this is the complete the concept map. Okay, so here one story is there. This is the journey of a clubby. Clubby is what doing? Clubby is eating some food. Okay, so first, second, third, fourth, fifth steps are going to be follow here. In the first step, what is the work of this clubby? So the clubby name is Rohan. So Rohan puts clubby inside his mouth and chews it properly. So here clubby is nothing but this is the sandwich, you can say. So here what Rohan is doing? Rohan is going to have this food in his mouth. Okay. So what is the first thing he have to be? He have to be do the chewing, or you can say chews or eat properly. Next is the clubby travels via dash to enter to dash. Here clubby mixed with dash juices and is churned properly. Okay, so clubby travels via food pipe. How the food is going to be reach in our stomach? With the help of food pipe. Okay, then what happened? Where they are going to be mixed up? They are going to be mixed up with the large intestine. Okay, large intestine, or you can say digestive juices. Next is the clubby now enters the small intestine and is further digested here. Blood absorbs nutrition from clubby and seeds to all the parts of the body. So then clubby will going to be reach in the large intestine, small intestine, then it is further digested to into form to the blood. So this is till now third step is finished. In the fourth step, what happened? We have to digest the food. Whatever requirements are there for the food, we have to be keep as it is, and waste water or waste material we have to be removed from our body. So the undigested portion of the clubby is sent to the large intestine, and here extra water is absorbed, and the blood also absorbs this water and also travels to the kidney so that waste can be filtered. So what is the function of kidney? It is the filtration of all the waste bodies, waste materials. Next, fifth one is now the undigested portion of clubby is toxic. So Rohan's body will throw it out from the through as a anus. Okay, so with the help of the anus organ, what happened? We can remove the waste particle from our body. So this is the journey of a clubby. So this is the, what is the clubby? It is the bread loaf. Okay, so this is the all the 1 marks question. So dear students, today you have to complete all the questions. In tomorrow's class we are going to start a new chapter. So till that now, just stay safe, stay healthy. Bye bye, and from